Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Settings and navigate to Security, then choose App Lock to enable hiding. You will be prompted to set a 4 to 6-digit PIN. Choose a PIN you can remember but others cannot guess. After creating the PIN, enable Fingerprint Unlock if available so you can reveal hidden apps quickly. Use the toggle labeled Hide Apps or App Encryption to activate hiding. Finally, link your Realme account and enable backup of App Lock settings so you can recover them after a reset. Open the App Lock or Hide Apps menu and tap Hide Apps to begin selecting apps to conceal. Scroll through the list and tap each app you want hidden. You can select many at once. When finished, tap Confirm or Apply, and the selected apps will be removed from the home screen and app drawer. To check that hiding worked, exit Settings and search the home screen. Hidden apps will be invisible until you unlock them with your 4 to 6-digit PIN or fingerprint. To unhide apps, open Settings, go to Security App Lock, then choose Hide Apps and authenticate with your 4 to 6-digit PIN or fingerprint. Deselect apps you want to restore and tap Confirm. They immediately reappear on the home screen. In App Lock settings, you can change the PIN, enable Fingerprint Unlock, or enable backup to your Realme account for recovery. If you forget the PIN, use Realme account recovery steps in the same menu to reset authentication, or follow official account verification to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.